Okay, here's some quick notes for Tuesday. Okay, very quick notes. We have two new types of equations that you are sometimes going to see when you're trying to solve these. Okay, so the nice thing about your first quiz is that you can use your notes. Your Chromebook's going to be locked down, but if you have some notes that you're going to be able to reference, this might be something you need to reference. Okay, so this is on page 11 of your note packet that's posted in our Google Classroom since the beginning of the chapter. Okay, and it says, what is the solution to each equation? All right, so let me simplify this for starters. So I'm going to do my distributive property here. I have 3 times 4x, and that equals 12x. And 3 times 8 equals 24. Over here, I also have 2 times 6x, which is 12x, and 2 times 12, which is equal to 24. You'll notice that they match. On this side, I got 12x plus 24. And over on this side, I have 12x times 24. Okay. When they are identical like that, so that's the word I do, they are identical, the answer that you write after you show this work is you write the word identity. What an identity means, and you also see this sometimes, that it has an infinite number of solutions. Oops, sorry about that. Lost my page. An infinite number of solutions. Okay, so any number I pick up here, and you could try it if you wanted. Okay, if I put in 3, 12 times 3 is 36, and 24 is 60, and obviously if I put 3 in over here, I'm going to get 60, and 60 equals 60. So any number you pick over here would work. Okay, so again, you just have to show me this and then write this. Okay, now there's another one here where it doesn't matter what you do, you're not going to be able to get a solution. So come over here, and again, I do my distributive property, and that leaves me with 8m plus 12. Okay, and this 3m just drops down. So I just did my distributive property first. Now I'm going to combine like terms. This is where it would help if you drew your wall or whatever you're going to call it. Okay. And these are on the same side. So these are on the same side. So we have to combine like terms. So what I end up with is 5m, because I have 8 minus 3 on this side. This 12 drops down. But now look over here, I have 5m plus 7. Now in this case, these don't match. So let's take this one step further. So that's always your first step here. Okay. Now, if we were going to try to solve this whenever there's two variables on both sides, normally we would try to get them on the same side. But when I do that, they cancel. So now I'm left with 12 equaling 7. Okay. Except 12 does not equal 7. So you'll see this written sometimes. An equal sign with a line through it sideways. 12 does not equal 7. Okay, so I've done the work here. I subtracted my variable from both sides. And now I have 12 equaling 7. 12 does not equal 7, so I write my answer of no solution. Okay, so you have 4 practice problems where these are going to come up, and I believe all of your answers should be identity or no solution. So write down, show me the work, show me the steps, and that should be it.